This is the aftermath of Taiwan's strongest and deadliest earthquake in at least 25 years. At least 9 people have been killed and more than 900 injured in the 7.2 magnitude tremor, which caused more than 100 buildings to collapse in the mountainous region of Hualien. Among those affected, Kiwis caught up in the disaster. Here, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs says there's been no requests for assistance so far. An MFAT spokesperson says there are 158 New Zealanders registered in Taiwan, but it's had no reports of injuries. The Ministry and the Prime Minister's advising Kiwis in affected areas to follow the advice of local authorities.
First and foremost, our thoughts go out to the people of Taiwan. We're a country that also deals with seismic risk and have had our own experiences. We think there's just under 140 New Zealanders there. We understand that they're safe at this point in time, but of course we would advise them to get on the Safe Travel website and to reach out to MFAT consular support if they need it there. But our understanding at this point in time is that all Kiwis there are safe.
Taiwan's National Fire Agency has meanwhile worked through the night to rescue at least 70 people trapped in tunnels, but more than 100 remain stuck and in collapsed buildings as aftershocks continue. Rescue crews seen here sifting through the rubble inside a tilted property close to the epicentre. A search is also underway for 50 workers who were travelling in minibuses to a hotel in a national park. The quake and aftershocks have caused 24 landslides and damage to roads, bridges and tunnels. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. To stay up to date with all the latest news from the New Zealand Herald, click the subscribe button below or check out one of the videos here, and head over to nzherald.co.nz for more details on these stories and more.